Well, hi to you too. Move it back, move it back. Hey, y'all know what it is. In the garden with another one. Hey, go plant a garden, then another one. They always ask me.
All right, Familia, take a look. So look, this is a sand pit, and it's just for the birds. Birds like to clean themselves with sand or with dry dirt, things like that. So it's been raining a lot up here. The dirt is all muddy, so the birds are all dirty. So I'm thinking if I make this pit, fill it with cinder, so the water drains through, and then top that with a bunch of sand, it'll keep an area that the birds can constantly clean themselves like a dust bath.
I think it's a good idea. What do you think, Aina? Yeah, all right, let's finish it up.
Always in the mood to grow some food, so glad they teaching that in school. Finally, studying science and math, now is the time to gain autonomy. Take this green, turn this to bands, you know, move the economy. Anytime they say that I can't, excuse me, pardon me, many audacity, hella capacity, full of my band. Anyone gas me if you gon' grow it organically, not just food, talk mentality. That sure was a mouthful, I'm in the garden for school, that's why they say, why you always in the mood to grow some
Okay, so FYI, don't use a what type of shovel is it? It's not like steel. Okay, you lost 2 cool points.
That's why they say, why you always in the mood to grow some food, so glad they teaching that in school. Finally, come on. And I'm always in the mood to grow some food. This is my teacher, I am in school, honestly. Hey, that's a mood and another one.
Well, you know what they say. If you can't go to the beach, bring the beach to you. It's not quite the beach, huh?
Yeah, but if it had water, it would be the beach.
Yeah. Well, you know, Mama wants to build a pond on the tiny farm. Ooh, that feels so good. I never thought about the fact that I would be having sand in between my toes at the tiny farm. We really should build you one of these.
Yeah.
This feels great. You instantly feel relaxed. You instantly feel like, can y'all see me? Y'all can see me. You instantly just feel relaxed.
Just look at my toesies.
Look
Where'd
at
they
your
go?
toesy woesies.
Where'd they go?
When do you think we should let the chickens try it out? Should we try to go get one and put it in?
No.
Why not?
Because I want to... No.
I'm not going.
I just want to plant it for now.
Okay.
Hello, Familia. We're going to pick some more berries. But on a different bush. It's up by the tiny house. Follow me along and you'll see it. We're going to get close to the berries. Look. There we go. When they're blue, they're ripe. When they're red or small, they're not. Then go see some peaches. Here you go. Peach tree. And don't know, but you can read it to me. Familia, I'm gonna end this with you guys.